Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a pendulum wave art pattern using Python. So let us import the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for efficient mathematical operations and matplotlib is used for plotting and visualizing, whereas matplotlib animation is used for creating the pendulum wave animation. So here numpendulums is the number of pendulums in the animation, which is 15 in this case, and length is the linearly spaced pendulum length from 1 to 2 meters using np.linspace, and g is the gravitational acceleration, which is 9.81 meter per second square. And time array representing 1000 time steps from 0 to 20 seconds. So this is the formula used. The period of a simple pendulum is given by t is equals to 2 pi under root L divided by G, where t is the period of oscillation, L is the length of the pendulum, and G is the gravitational acceleration. And now we'll calculate the angular position theta. So here using the equation theta into t is equals to cos 2 pi into t divided by t. So the angles are calculated for each pendulum over time using cosine function for oscillatory motion. And now we'll convert the Cartesian coordinates. So the x and y position of the pendulums are calculating using trigonometry, where x is equals to L sin theta and y is equals to minus L cos theta. The negative y ensures the pendulum moves downwards. So this creates a figure of size 8 into 8 inches. So here x and y limits are adjusted to fill all pendulums. And this ensures equal scaling on both the axes . This adds a suitable title to the pattern . So here the pendulums are visualized using markers, which is O- with a size of 10, and each pendulum is represented as a line starting from the origin 0, 0. And now we'll create the animated function for the pendulum. So here animate updates the pendulum position for each frame I, and set data updates the line data to simulate the swinging motion. And now we'll create and display the animation. So here animation function handles the animation by repeatedly calling the animate function, and interval is 30, means each frame is displayed for 30 milliseconds, and blit is equals to true. This optimizes the rendering for smoother animations, and plt.show, this displays the plot. And now we can see a pendulum wave art plot. So thanks for watching this video.